Hello student, in previous video we have seen joining means combining the records from two or more tables. So in last video we have seen inner join. In this video we are going to see left join concept. So here you can see the left join is nothing but a joining in which the output is all rows from the left table along with the rows from the right table for which the join condition is match. Now this diagram will simply explain you. Suppose there are two tables, table A and table B. Then here you can see that left join performs the operation and get all the rows from A table including the matching records or rows from B table. So inner join was only giving the matching record, but in the left join matching record as well as all the records present in table A, they will be taken for the output. Let us consider the same example. We have two tables, employee table and a departments table. Okay, so in employee table, employee ID, employee name, hire date and department ID are the columns, and in the department table, department ID and department name is there. Again, there are 5 records present in the employee table. Just look at this particular last record, Martin, and the department ID is null, so no department ID is mentioned here, and here we are having around 5 departments. Okay, now when we want to perform left join, again the select query will be used. Select the list of columns like employee ID from employee table, employee name from employees table, department name from the department table, or we can have that employees dot hire date also here. Okay, so we can add that also. So if you perform that joining, we need to mention the two tables from which we are going to take the records. So these two tables will be joined, employees and departments, but here the keyword is changed. Instead of inner join we have mentioned left join. So left join will tell the DBMS or RDBMS to combine the records from employee table, departments tables and join operation as left join, and again the condition is there, employees department ID and departments department ID, which will be the common column here. Now what will happen here when we combine or when we try to join left, then the output will be something like this. So here you can see that there are 5 records, 4 records will have certain department ID and they will match with the one of the department. Okay, but left join will give all those 4 records, Ethan, Tony, Sarah Corner and Reject, who are having the department names because their department ID is matching. But if you look at the last record, Martin blank, in which the department ID was not mentioned, the department ID was not mentioned, that record is also entered here, that record is also present here, and the department name column will have a null value for that particular record. So left join means all the matching record from the both the tables plus the records which are remaining in the left table. So here we have said this is a left table, this is a right table. Okay, so this is the first table, this is the second table. So all the matching record from employees table and departments table will be combined first of all, and whatever the records remaining from employees table, even though they are not having matching record, that will also be shown in the output, and the corresponding value of the department name or the columns from second table will be considered as a null. So joining will be performed, every record will be matched, condition will be applied, but whatever the records which are present or remain unmatched from the left table, those will also be considered here, and the column for that particular record for the second table will be considered as a null. So this is a left join because all the records from the left tables are taken in the output. Similarly we have right join, same thing. Right join will perform the operation like this. This operation right join will consider all the matching records from the two tables as well as the remaining records from the right table. So again the same example is here, employee table is there, department table is there, and the query is select employee ID, employee name, department's name, or maybe the hire table, hire date from employees table, and instead of that here we need to mention it as a right join. Instead of left join we will use the word or keyword right join. So if you perform right join operation, then all the records will be matched, they will be taken for the output, and whatever records which are remaining from the right table, in our case departments table, that will be taken for the output. Now here you can see that Ethan Hunt is from the department ID 4 human resource, Tony is from the administration, Sarah Corner is from the sales, Rick is from the finance. Okay, but no employees belong to the record or the department ID 2 customer service. Okay, so this record will not have any match in the left record. So even though there is no match for this right table record, that will be considered for the output, and the output will be like this. These are the matching record 2, 4, 1. These will be having all matching values, but the customer service was not having a matching record, so that is also considered in the output, and the corresponding column of first table will have the values null. So right joining will consider all the matching records from both the table plus remaining records from the right table, they will also be considered, and the corresponding value of the first table column will be considered as a null. So this record is not having matching, so null values will be considered. This is called as right joining. You are joining the two tables. If you are saying only matching, that will be inner joining. If you say matching record plus remaining records of left table, that is left joining. And if you say all the matching record and the remaining record of right table, then that is called as right joining. And how to implement? Using select query you can mention. In select you have to give the list of columns from two or more tables. Then in the from keyword, from part, mention the names of the table, mention the type of join, whether it is the inner join, left join or right join, and mention the certain condition that will filter out the output. Okay, thank you.